Islandsite Investment Co-Director Ronica Ragavan is expected to appear at the Bloemfontein Regional Court today in connection with the procurement fraud involving 24.9 million rand paid to Nulane Investment Company by the Free State Department of Agriculture. The money was paid between November 2011 and April 2012. By the Free State Department of Agriculture to conduct a feasibility study on potential farming projects in the province. Aphumelele Mdlalane is on standby to give us more information on this. Aphumelele, what's happening where you are?
Good morning to you and also to the viewers at home. The 24.9 million rand scandal and corruption case is back today, where we know that there's many that are implicated, including the Gupta family members, amongst others, as well as the former HOD for Department of Agriculture, Peter Tabete, Sylvia Dlamini, and also CFO of the Department of Agriculture, then whereby, of course, this 25 million rand meant for feasibility study and also to alleviate poverty in terms of creating projects in the Free State. However, the money was siphoned to other companies. We are back today, where we also saw that all the accused have been released with 10,000 rand bail each, and also Iqbal Sharma, who was released on 500,000 rand bail. But I just want the NPA's investigating directorate, Sindisiwe Sibuka, just to give us a glimpse of what we are expecting today. We know that there's additional suspects that will be appearing today.
So currently we can confirm that our investigating officer is currently processing another accused that's going to be added. This will then bring the tally to about 8 people in this matter. That particular accused will face 2 counts of fraud and 2 counts of money laundering for their various roles in participating in this enterprise. What we can also state is that at the last sitting in September, on the 28th, a company was added, Islandsite, a Gupta-owned company was added to this matter as accused number 7. It was represented by Ronica Ragavan as one of the directors in that particular matter. So what we're expecting today essentially is to add the 8th accused in the matter, and to further then possibly find out if we can then move the matter to the High Court, where we can then eventually set it down for pre-trial conference, and the matter can then proceed swiftly.
You've always maintained that you have a strong case against the accused. How far are you in terms of, getting back those that are abroad? I'm talking about the Gupta family members.
So you'd remember that from the first couple of times that we came to court, that we had mentioned that we're making inroads in that particular matter. However, we did caution that we're dealing with another jurisdiction, and you know that each country is sovereign and they have the liberty to either agree or not agree to bring people back into South Africa. But what we must say is that we're doing everything reasonably possible within our territory to get some form of cooperation with the police, Interpol, as well as the extradition process, which will then commence once we have all the details. What we are currently stating is that give us a bit more time. We are continuing to lobby. We're continuing to do as much as we possibly can. However, it's out of our hands.
And there wouldn't be any complications in terms of continuing with the matter while you are still trying by all means to get back those that are abroad?
From the day we enrolled the matter, we had made it plain and clear that we are going to proceed with this matter, whether the persons that were mentioned initially are in the country or not in the country. We're going to work at it with the people in the country, complete the matter, and then once we do have green light that the others will then come back, we'll deal with them separately.
Sindisiwe Sibuka, the investigating director spokesperson, of course, just giving us what is likely to transpire today. As I did mention, that there's going to be an additional, of course, suspect on this matter. And we've been into court where we've seen a lot of postponements regarding where the prosecutor would be saying that they are still trying by all means to have more information, and also as we see that there's more additions now, with also this Nulane Investment Company standing as also as one of the accused. We are expecting to hear what's going to happen here in court today. As we know, Ronica Ragavan is the first time she is appearing, just to understand whether she's going to be getting bail or not. But I'll give an update as soon as the court adjourns. But now it's expected to start anytime from now.
Thank you very much, Aphumelele, and we'll endeavor to go there as soon as we're able to. On to this.